Just in the cornfield here, it's September 4th. We're planning to start harvesting in about a week. Just checking out the corn here. Show you guys a couple cobs, different varieties. Just a couple observations that I see between the two different varieties that I tried this year, between the V05 and the Pioneer 36 something or 7632, I think it is. That's on this side, and the V05 is over here. Just peeled back a corn cob here. The V05 appears to, I've got two of them peeled back, appears to dry down a little nicer than the 7632, I believe it is. It's a little bit wetter. It's got a little bit more to go for dry down. So, and it looks like the cobs are pretty much almost the same. The V05 looks like the cobs are sitting a little higher on the stalk. These ones are a bit lower from what I can see. But other than that, it looks pretty similar. It's a pretty high stalk. And as far as I can reach here, and we still got another probably 4 feet. So it's a good stalk, nice and high, and looks like there may be a little bit more leaf on that one, but very close. Field looks very clean. She's denting up pretty nice, but she's a little juicy yet. So I'd say another week of good sun. In the cornfield here, you can see the soybeans. They're kind of leaning into the corn stalks, and then you get to a knoll, gravelly knoll, and they really start to dry out. They're kind of tangled in each other here, as you can see. And on this side, they look green. More sunlight, I guess. A little bit of corn missing, but you can see pretty much in this row here, they're all leaning down here, and they're turning quite yellowish. I'm really hoping the Kemperhead will pick these guys up. Thinking we're almost about a week away from harvest. It's almost up to the cobs. This part of the field looks quite good. You go down in the middle of the rows here. You can see they're pretty much, they're getting quite dry and they're snapping off. How it looks like in the row. And walk down a little bit here. So I'd say she's about 4 feet. We're hoping the Kemperhead will pick this up. This cob here by the soybeans is quite wet yet. You can see it's pretty juicy. There's only a few cobs that are dented.